Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the McCulloch MC1385 Deluxe Canister Steam Cleaner, a powerhouse of chemical-free, pressurized cleaning for your home and beyond. With its ability to naturally deep clean using hot steam, it tackles grease, grime, and stains on surfaces like ceramic tile, grout, granite, sealed wood flooring, and more. Equipped with 23 versatile accessories, including a floor mop, nylon brushes, and a squeegee, this steam cleaner is ready for any job. And you can conveniently store everything on board or in the included storage bag. The large 64-ounce water tank heats up in under 12 minutes and provides up to 120 minutes of steam, while the extra-long 18-foot power cord and 10-foot steam hose ensure you can reach even the toughest spots. With on-demand variable steam control and a 4 bars pressure, it blasts away dirt with ease, and the integrated cord wrap keeps things tidy. Plus, when you choose McCulloch, you're investing in superior performance backed by a 2-year replacement promise and a dedicated customer service team based in Andover, Kansas. Built to meet U.S. voltage requirements, this steam cleaner is certified, safety tested, and warranted for use only in the U.S., making it a reliable choice for your cleaning needs. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.